What's up, fellow adventurers? My name is Murray. My wife Tara and I are outdoor enthusiasts who love a good adventure. The one problem is we're a one-income family with 3 kids, 3 dogs, a cat, and a hedgehog. So we have to do things on a budget, and that is the premise of this channel, Budget Adventures. We want to help you guys find amazing adventures that you can do on a budget. Today, we are taking a trip to Broken Bow, Oklahoma. It's about 2 hours from us to the north. We found a place where we can bring our kayaks, and for very little cost, about $15 per person, we can go up and kayak this amazing river. But here's the beautiful thing. Search your area for rivers that are accessible like this, because where we're going to Ambush Adventures, if you don't even have a kayak, they will rent you a kayak for $35 for the day. So for 35 bucks, you can spend an entire day on the river. But while we're there, we're also going to go ahead and head just up the road to Beavers Bend State Park. Another hidden gem for budget adventures is finding your local state parks. They normally have very reasonable entrance fees and a lot of times a lot of fun things to do. So let's go out there, see what kind of adventure we can find today. You guys come along for the ride. It is.
Nice.
GoPro 8. What's up, y'all? Got the GoPro rocking. Oh! Good drop. Absolutely beautiful out here. What do you think? Awesome stuff. We are holding on to a tree. Probably wait on our partners to bring us down that direction there. This is some absolute beautiful area. Here they come. Uh-oh, Lauren's coming at us. Ah! Catch the tree. All right, you ready? So they want you to buy it. Oh yeah. Some white water to the right. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful day on the river. Almost done.
Mark, you got it. Come on, yeah. Come on, Mark. All right, you get better it is, big dog. Do a flip.
Woo, way to go, Mark!
Yeah!
Click it once and you're good.
Well, guys, there you have it. So for $35, some gas money, we were able to have an amazing day starting out on the river, kayaking. One of the things you guys didn't get to see because we couldn't get it on film was we actually went over a 2-foot waterfall, flipped our kayak. It was a ton of fun. From there, we drove up a crazy mountainous road, got to Beavers Bend State Park, launched the kayaks again, and wound up doing some cliff diving. Man, at that state park, there were all kinds of paddle boards and there was a miniature golf course. There were so much things that we could have done had we been staying for longer. But this was just a day trip, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. That is our review of Beavers Bend and that area up there in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. We'll definitely be going back, and it's an amazing budget adventure. Guys, remember, anything can be an adventure if you make it. You guys go out there, find your next adventure.